Hi there, students. Viewpoint. Point of view, viewpoint. Okay, a viewpoint is the position from which you observe something. So I want you to take photographs of this building from every possible viewpoint, from every possible point of view, from every possible position where it's possible to look at it. Yeah, the viewpoint, a place from where something can be viewed. But we also use this metaphorically, and your viewpoint talks about your mental attitude that determines your opinions. It determines your judgment. It's the way you see things, or the way you see something. So what is your viewpoint about this? That various people have different viewpoints, an attitude of mind, the circumstances of an individual which lead to them having a particular attitude about something. So we've heard the viewpoint of the Americans about this. What is the viewpoint of the Palestinians? What is the viewpoint of the Israelis? What is the viewpoint of the Russians? Normally, if you read or look at history, history is told from the viewpoint of the language that it is written in. So the viewpoint, the stance, the posture, the position, the standpoint, the viewpoint, the perspective from which somebody looks at something. This novel is written from a lawyer's viewpoint, but it would be interesting to discover what the criminal's viewpoint on all of this was. The angle, the outlook, yeah, the way something is looked at. From the viewpoint of the economy, this is a very good idea. From a legal viewpoint, it might be more problematic. Okay, so a viewpoint, a place where you can look at things, an area of natural beauty, an overlook. Yeah, there was a viewpoint by the side of the road that had a great panorama. But a point of view, the way somebody looks at something, the way somebody considers something. So what is your viewpoint on this matter? What is your point of view? How do you see it? What is your particular attitude? I'm trying to get my mum to change her viewpoint on this. Yeah, her opinion, her way of thinking about it. So a viewpoint, someone's viewpoint, is the way that they think about things in general, the way they think about a particular thing. The novel shows life from the viewpoint of an agricultural peasant. A good essay includes as many different viewpoints as possible, different perspectives, different angles, different positions. Okay, so the story is told from a child's viewpoint. The viewpoint of the elderly is clearly shown in this article. His viewpoint was very singular, was very different and independent. And everybody will have their own viewpoint on this matter. He explained his viewpoint in detail. I find your viewpoint very narrow. It's a very narrow viewpoint. From a practical viewpoint, I would advise you not to do it because you probably don't have enough money. He repeated and repeated his viewpoint. This is a radical feminist viewpoint. Okay, so from a technological viewpoint, this is feasible. Okay, so the viewpoint, the way that you see something, the way that you view something, it's from the position, but it's your angle. It's the viewpoint of people in power. Let's see. If you draw a picture in a perspective, if you change the viewpoint, then it changes the way something looks. Okay, so the different people's viewpoints. It's their point of view, their way of seeing things. Viewpoint. 5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. It's a countable noun. And as to origin, well, yeah, it comes from view, point of view, viewpoint. Yeah, from the word view, old French, which effectively from voir, to see. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A viewpoint.